Covalent and ionic compounds. The covalent compounds are formed by two or more nonmetals. Only nonmetals can form covalent compounds. The other kind of compounds are ionic compounds. Ionic compounds can be formed by a nonmetal and a metal. Any type of metal can include in this form of compounds, like transition metals.
I'm going to tell you an example of how to distinguish a covalent and an ionic compound. The first one, you can see that both are nonmetals, so it is a covalent compound. And for the second one, you look for them in the chart, and copper is in the transition metal section, so it is a metal, so it would be an ionic compound.
Now, I'm going to teach you how to get to the answer of the first one, that is a covalent compound. Okay, first, bromine is 9, so you have to look for the prefix of bromine, that is 9, so nona bromine will be the answer. And then, you have to look for 2 because fluorine has a 2, so the answer will be nona bromine difluoride. That will be the answer.
First, the oil and water were added to a bottle separate from each other. With oil on the top because it has lower density than water, the food coloring falls through the oil and mixes with the water at the bottom. The piece of Alka-Seltzer you drop in releases small bubbles of carbon dioxide gas that rise to the top and take some of the colored water along for the ride. The gas escapes when it reaches the top and the colored water falls back down. The reason Alka-Seltzer fizzes in such a way is because it contains citric acid and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. The two react with water to form sodium citrate and carbon dioxide gas. Those are the bubbles that carry the colored water to the top of the bottle.